Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes GLA 250 Mercedes Benz 2019. This is the electrical parking brake. The wire come through here. This is when you try to take the fuel pump. You have to take everything out, even the axle. But look here, this cable here for electrical parking brake is coming from there. It's go all the way here. Go all the way here, and then from here you have some wires, and then this is the electrical parking brake control module. You see they put it here. This is a quick information if you want to locate where it is. Also, this is one of the sensors that is here. You see it broke. Maybe it's for park, I don't know what sensor is that, but look here, it could be for proximity. So you see there, it broke, it's no good. I have a code for it in the front also, just to let you know. I believe this need to be fixed.
Yeah, that has to be replaced.
Have to be replaced, yeah. This sensor here broke.
Yeah, it's not good.
Yeah. That's what we have today. Just to know. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.